Hello, Doctor. We are from Group 3. We'll be discussing about our journey of growing a tomato plant. So the plant that we chose was a cherry tomato with a scientific name of Solanum lycopodium var. Cerasiform. It originated from the mixture of a wild currant type and a domesticated garden tomato. So it came up to be a cherry tomato. And it is best to grow the tomato in an area that has much sunlight and warm weather. And the tomato soil is best to grow the tomato in any type of soil except clay soil, and the pH range should be within 6.2 to 6.8.
So the cherry tomato plant has this characteristic in which its fruit size is slightly oval. The color can be varied between red, yellow, green, and black, and the height of plant can reach until 121.92 to 152.4 centimeter. The leaf were characterized to be of a compound leaf with the leaf margin of serrate. And based on my observation, we could see that during the seed phase, it was grown inside a near a tinted window and began to germinate after 3 days. And the cotyledon stage, the plant was exposed to the sun for 3 hours a day, and it was observed that the plant bent to follow the light, and some snail was found in the soil. For the mature plant, it was exposed to the sun for 7 hours a day, and the addition of fertilizer for every 3 weeks using also pesticide was used 1 time a week to inhibit the pest, especially whitefly. This is the plant growth cycle. We start from the seed to young plant, mature plant, flower, and fruit, in which we come back to formation of the seed.
Okay, for growth development, we can see that after 13 weeks of planting, the height of the plant increased to 100, nearly 120 cm. For the life cycle of flower, the number of flower forms was the highest at the week 10, which is 24 flowers. And for the flower, it has to either it will not fertilize or it will be fertilized to fruit.
So these are the genes that are present. While some of them only work at the various stages. So for fertilization, there is high presence of auxine and gibberellin. While for the fruit ripening, we can also see there is a presence of ethylene and low presence of abscisic acid and also auxine. So all these are the genes that play a role in fertilization, the fruit growth, and also the fruit ripening stage.
Okay, for propagation step, we have the success and failure ones. For success, if we follow the right condition to plant, we can see the tomato plant grows well. But when it was a failure, for example, we spray the leaves with water, it will cause tomato blight and blossom and rot. If we overwatering, it will cause the leaf curls, and if we does not prune, it will form fungal spore. So this is our plant growing experience with our plant. For example, myself is a fun and rewarding experience. I take care of the plant, and at the same time, I learn about the plant behavior and genes that cause it to happen. And for Abdul Hamid, these plants give me peace of mind. They have become part of me. Studying plants have made me to a tolerant, caring, and emotional person. I can't say more. And for Diana, very memorable experience. Never thought of myself capable in taking care of the plants. Truly an experience that I will redo again just for the fun of it. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.